What you talking about? Is Jaden Blaze?
Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now Vybz Cartel is back on the Jamaican island. The private jet flying back. And we see him link up with his parents. You know, his mother and his father. And we can also talk about a talk we hear people are saying in the streets. How come they must see Vybz Cartel with World Boss Jr., his youngest son? Some people are saying Shorty keep Vybz Cartel's youngest son away from him. And we couldn't hear all of what First, I'm going to see Vybz Cartel are flying to Jamaica, and they will continue the reason.
It's recorded.
It's recorded?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I don't know, we just land back in Jamaica from St. Vincent. Don't know the iconic Marlon Samuels. I want that. Alright. I start round one part. Buffalo round one part. Bad trainer. Two beautiful ladies right here in the middle. Paris. Oh. And London. Oh. Now.
You are going now. See all of the bad man people them. I know what I want. Hungry and hungry. I left for food with you know. You don't know. Can't deal with the wicked and alone a bad mind and corrupt you know. Left for piece of food with you know. See? Anstam, how about that?
Nice, street vibes on the original red rum.
You not tell a man?
Oh, gosh, my G.
Yeah, man.
People, Gaza Nation.
Yeah, man.
Free.
I'm out. People, how about this? Yeah, 2024. My father just showed me it. It's not even pull. See if I watch that.
Pull like watch it with the KFC.
Now Vybz Cartel is back on the Jamaican island. And by the looks of things, all went well in St. Vincent. Now of course, the talk I make. People say them see Vybz Cartel with him daughter. Them see Vybz Cartel with little Vybz. Them see him with little Addy. They must say, them not see him with, of course, him son of the UK. And them not see him with him youngest son. People are wondering now if Shorty. And these are those people that speculate. And the Vybz Cartel said this, and nobody from within the family has said this. And those outside the people we are looking. You know the fans them concerned. Anything but Vybz Cartel, the people them a pray. The people them a pray, them a double check, them a cross them teeth, them a dot them eyes. I saw Vybz Cartel fan base state. The Vybz Cartel put on a post and say, him feel like hungry, some of them hungry. Bad mind people. Him say I'm gonna left a thing with them. As they say, him count out a portion of the cash and him left a $1. Him left some. But people are speculate, people are wonder. People are wonder now, say, how come them not see Vybz Cartel him youngest son? I wanna know. We know say Vybz Cartel and Shorty are not on the best of terms. They are better choice of words. Because they're people business and you know that go. But based on what we can see, they are clearly not on the best of terms. They've gone their separate ways. As you know, Vybz Cartel is engaged. So them not left him side. You know what I mean? He might do him. And based on what the Shorty like she do her own thing too. Yeah, Shorty look like she clearly I live her own best life too. And where that is concerned, each of them good and I live them best life. That's good. But of course, you have the different aspects of things. And people are looking at them different aspects there. If that's the reason why we don't see Vybz Cartel and the youngest son. We don't know. And I guess Jamaican people just be Jamaican people. Jamaican people fast away. Yeah man. People business. Jamaican people want to know. What we can confirm is that we see Vybz Cartel and Sean Storm rise a old Buckler Street vibes. Vybz Cartel rise even a old cake soap. And him same father give to him. Like isn't when him go link up Vybz Cartel, mother and him father. I guess some old memorabilia. As them would call it. And Yo, one day, that same buckle, if unopened, probably the next 10 years, 20 years, it might value a whole heap, you know? Yeah, man, it might value a whole heap. And who knows? Maybe Vybz Kartel will start a new line. During that time, they partner with Cartel and renovate them until let me get them own distillery. I think, not sure. But if Vybz Kartel do that venture now, I feel like it will be 10 times more profitable. And today I watch a I think it's a live stream. I think academics. And they must say, I think I Clooney, I'm not sure though, I don't want to quote that. But the person who did own Casamigos, when them sell that, you know, it was a $1 billion deal. $1 billion. I think Jay-Z did cash out very well too. With when they do the whole Speed and you know what the whole theme thing there. I think you have some other brands too. Along with Speed. You see me? We see Rick Ross make a portion of money a link with Belly and him never won it. So in this day and age, if Vybz Kartel have him own line of liquor, I feel like it will be another multi-billion-dollar venture, which will also bring in a whole heap of revenue to the country too. Whereas the distillery is on the Jamaican island and the company is based on the Jamaican island. Cause I don't know, yo, a whole heap of money the government get from Rain Navy and Red Stripe. Yeah. I want to talk about give a free money, we are talking about us based on the fact that the company is operating from the island. So if we get a next, you know what I mean? Major brand. And we are talking about something with Star Power, of course, Rain Navy and Red Stripe, make them name. Yeah, them already make them name. Worldwide. Yeah, they make them name already. But even in America, you have established brands where already make them name too. But these other brands, they partner with certain celebrities or get created and owned by certain celebrities, them do very well too. Kylie Jenner have her own tequila. Amount of people, amount of celebrities. I think even 50 have a new thing to them deal with. But them make millions. Yeah. So I feel like with the Caribbean being a party destination, a vacation destination, can we say a new brand like a Street Vybz, we not just talk about Jamaica, we talk about for the whole Caribbean and the whole world. In this day and age now, marketing and them thing they're on a whole new level. So I feel like millions are there to be made from even these ventures the Vybz Kartel start before incarceration. And that's why some people see Vybz Kartel as a true visionary. Yeah, them see him as somebody where him not just repeat what other people do, or just do it because him say other people are do it. Them see Vybz Kartel as an entertainer who I look to the future. Where this music can go. What we can do with this influence. What kind of businesses can we start? And before incarceration, he definitely started a whole heap of business where even today, looking at it retrospectively, we are say, yo, I did some multi-million-dollar idea them. Simple as you see it. Multi-million-dollar idea. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you agree. I feel like, no, them things never gonna make no money. I don't know. Idea that way, they're not gonna make no millions for nobody or no investors. With some people are obviously tell you, say, yo, how you arrive at that conclusion, where you drive, which road you take, which highway that's brought you to that destination where you would have believed, say, Street Vybz, if it did continue, would not be a multi-billion-dollar company right now. Tell me you arrive at that conclusion there. Because me personally, me believe that. And me believe, say, if even started again now, tonight, right now, even if I the same name, different style of buckle, partner with somebody else, whatever, I feel like that still be a multi-billion-dollar business. Maybe after the first show, Teach and Bogdanovich can talk again about some more businesses. Because if you are talking about an investor on the Jamaican island where, you know, love the music and the culture, but also have overseas connections and have the amount of money, well, Mr. Bogdanovich is definitely an individual. We have the money and have the love for the music and the culture and the overseas connections. He's a person where, you know, even Vybz Cartel could have partnered together and start another major company like a Street Vybz. I feel like it's possible. And I feel like it do well too. Yeah, I feel like it do well too. Worse the fact that Joe is also connected with a whole heap of other entertainers. Yeah, a whole heap of other entertainers respect Joe. So this being his new project and this new thing I'm deal with, a whole heap of them that show support, and that be the star power. You don't really need much from Vybz Cartel though. After Vybz Cartel, I deal with it. You don't really need much star power other than that. But you gotta get the whole heap of other star power. The fact say, yo, if Joe was another partner. And even if it's a silent partner that put out the money, as I'm say, you don't need much endorsement from people who say Vybz Cartel and you drink this. You see me? But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel as I pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper and for to stay tuned.